everybody. So I'm gonna show you how I make the Dalgona coffee, the fluffy coffee that I made. See if it helps anybody trying to make it. So what you'll need is a small bowl. I like the kind of stainless steel bowls that really don't have a deep bottom, because this doesn't have a lot of ingredients, so it's easier to have like a smaller area to work with. So small bowl. You can also use a mason jar and shake it instead of whipping it if you want to do that. Either way, you're going to get a good arm workout, because it takes a lot of, maybe like 5 minutes to do. So you'll need a tablespoon measurement, the coffee, instant coffee of your liking, sugar, and then like I said, a bowl, and then hot water, which I'm heating up right now in my microwave. You can use tap water, like hot tap water, but I feel like I like to get the hottest water possible to make sure that it's going to dissolve the coffee. And my water's ready, so I'm going to go get my water. So my hot water. First off, you're going to put the instant coffee in the bowl. You're going to do 2 tablespoons. This is what the recipe calls for, but you can make it less strong with just 1 tablespoon if you want. So 2 tablespoons of the instant coffee. 1 tablespoon of sugar. It calls for 1, but I used 2 the last time, but I'm just going to do the recipe that I followed the first time. And then 2 tablespoons of hot water. And then you're just gonna mix it up pretty good to get all of the coffee, so it's not crystallized anymore, so it's dissolved in the sugar. And then you're just gonna mix for about 5 minutes. First I start off mixing it just holding the bowl regular, and then as it gets thicker I'll put it aside there, but just gotta mix it, so it's gonna take a while. I kind of turn the bowl too, just to make sure I'm getting everything, because you want to get all those pieces of the coffee mixed in. See how it's getting a lot fluffier. The trick is to get as much air in the mixture as possible. That's what's going to make it fluffy. So you want to lift kind of the bowl to the side so it's deep. And you're just going to keep whipping it, getting all that air incorporated into the mixture. It's okay if you stop for a couple, seconds, but you want to try and mix it consistently for those 5 minutes. Keep whipping until it thickens up. See, it's already starting to get a little bit thicker, and as it cools too, it's going to get thick. See, that's pretty thick there. So that's been about 3 to 4 minutes, I think. Maybe not even. I think it just depends on how hard you whip it, how fast you get that air incorporated into the mixture. So as you can see, it's pretty thick, like it doesn't move very fast when tilted, and it's sticking to the whisk pretty well. pretty much, that's the thickness that I use. If you keep going longer, it's gonna thicken up even more, but yeah, this is a pretty good consistency to put on the top of your milk or whatever you're using. Hey guys, so I had to stop filming for a second because my dogs were barking too loud. But so I finished whipping it. It didn't take, I mean, as soon as I stopped the video, that's when it was done. So I'm just gonna show you when it goes into the cup. So you're just gonna pour it on top of your milk. And honestly, for this amount that I made and that amount of milk, it's gonna be really strong. But I just did it for the appearance with the glass there. But that's pretty much it. And then once you want to drink, you just kind of mix it together. And see how it goes down. Like I said, this was like way too much for this little cup, but you get the point. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye.